string beans, or do you want to stand up for your meals for the next few days?
I want a string beans.
Let's do it. Let's see what I got here. 1 deviled hawk eggs, 2 pickles...
This is the first video in a 4-part series designed to walk you through the domestic violence process. Everyone has a right to be safe and secure in their own home and with their family. Domestic violence interferes with this basic right. Sadly, domestic violence can affect people of all ages, men, women, and children. It can affect different socioeconomic classes, different races, and different ethnic backgrounds. The West Virginia court system protects the rights of everyone, whether they are a victim of domestic violence or have been accused of committing domestic violence. The purpose of this video is to explain how the court system's domestic violence process works and how it protects everyone. The term domestic violence legally means causing physical harm, attempting to cause physical harm, or putting someone in fear of physical harm. Putting someone in fear of physical harm means doing something that makes the other person feel physically threatened. It can include harassment and psychological abuse. Domestic violence also can include sexual assault, sexual abuse, abduction, or holding someone against their will. Anyone who is the victim of domestic violence can ask a court to issue a protective order. Protective orders identify who needs to be protected, who is accused of domestic violence, and what the accused person can and cannot do. Both adults and children can get court protection from domestic violence. If the victim is a child and unable to file on his or her behalf, an adult relative or household member must go to court on the child's behalf. Relatives can also file a petition if the victim is mentally or physically unable to seek help on their own. Witnesses to domestic violence can also seek protection if they are being abused, threatened, or intimidated because of what they witnessed. The difference between domestic violence and other types of violence is the relationship between the victim and the accused person. For it to be domestic violence, the two people must have an intimate relationship, be family members, or be part of the same household. The terms family and household member have specific legal definitions. Families or household members are people who live together and have a close family relationship, a combination of family and partner relationship, or a current or past partner relationship. The term relationship can apply to individuals who are or were married to each other, living together, sexually intimate, dating, residing together, or have a child in common regardless of whether they have ever married or lived together. With our introduction and definitions out of the way, it's now time to discuss the court process. Please watch Part 2 as we continue to walk you through the domestic violence process.